Welcome back, traders. This is your full top-down breakdown for ES Futures April week 5. Last week read like a textbook. Inside week, failed breakdown, liquidity sweep, explosive move up. We printed new weekly highs, balanced the 10-day and the weekly volume profiles, and flipped the daily structure back to one-time framing up. Next week, key mission: can buyers hold momentum and reclaim the triple POC wall around 5,670? Let's dive in. On the monthly volume profile, we are still officially one-time framing down with a high at 6,052.25. We close back into August's value area, but bulls must reclaim this 5,618 to target 5,668 and potentially push back into September's range. The 10-day volume profile then is balanced again. We closed above our previous range inside this value area, and we cleared August POC at 5,527. Holding above this POC and the range at 5,531 as support is non-negotiable for the bulls. And on our weekly volume profile, guys, we see a huge context shift. From inside week's indecision to an aggressive outside week that smashed these two prior highs. We are now attacking March week 2 range. The path to 5,900 is opening up if bulls can maintain this pressure. Our daily candles are now one-time framing up again with this low at 5,355.25. A clear uptrend printed after last week's liquidity grab. And for next week, my focus will still be on this low volume node between 5,520 and 5,620. We expect fast moves around this zone. In the 4-hour chart, we are uptrending strong inside this A to B range. But we paused at this low volume node. Reclaiming this value area low 5,613 will be key for continuation higher. And as a bonus, we close above the monthly VWAP first standard deviation, another bullish feather. So for my levels this week, I will be watching 5,550 as a line in the sand, which is the major low volume node edged and monthly structure pivot. Bulls will want to target 5,818, which is the value area high of last A to B price range. While bears will want to reclaim 5,150, which is the previous major low, liquidity grab zone and second standard deviation on our monthly VWAP. Guys, the liquidity flush last week cleared all decks. If bulls step on the gas early above 5,618 to 5,670, it could trigger a spring rally into May. Failed to reclaim, then we expect more chop and a retest of last week's breakout zone. As always, guys, like, subscribe and catch a newsletter for daily plans. Let's crush this week.